Welcome back to River Funsies. On this episode, we're going to talk about an encounter I had in the river this morning. So I was participating in the Atlas Environmental Spring Spearfishing Tournament and was doing the upper part of the San Marcos River that starts at the Saltgrass and ends at Rio Vista. And started off at Saltgrass and was doing my run, and I noticed something sitting next to the dam, right next to the spillway, and I thought it might be a nutria rat, or wasn't too sure what it was. So I tried to get as close as I could, and try to get some footage of it before it ran away or swam off, because sometimes you see these things off in the water at a distance, and I'm never able to get close to them. Don't know if they're otters or what they are, but you do hear, people have different sightings in the river. Nutria are pretty common, so I got as close as I could and was very surprised when this thing came right at me. I'm trying to get its attention here because I really don't want it around me when I'm snooting around in the bottom of the river trying to stab a fish, and it came real close to me. I had no intentions of trying to stab it or anything like that, but look at that tail. That's a beaver. So if there's ever any question of there being beavers in the San Marcos River, well, there you go. There's your proof. So I would have to say it's probably mostly a nocturnal creature, because I've never seen any during the day, and it probably stays up in Spring Lake Preserve. But otherwise, we did pretty good. This is my buddy's catch. He did real good, and this is what I got. Nobody did a little better than I did, but that's how it goes sometimes. So please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll have some more videos soon. Have a good one.